If we can do it drunk, you can do it sober. That's 6. Oh, look at it. Use the winch. How slick is that? I think you're all set.
This thing all day long, won't it?
Appears to be the case.
Yeah, appears to be the case.
Onward and upward. All right, so here we go. I mean,
you ready?
what? No.
I'll stay to the left.
That's a lot.
I'm gonna stay to the left. That's the way the road is. It's hard underneath.
Just stay to the left this way.
That's right. I'm gonna stay around that rock. Christopher's gone in the center before in the gray XJ, ripped the exhaust off. I've had Nick standing in the back of my TJ over here on the right hand side, rocking it back and forth, filling the tub with.
I know this mud hole. I know.
Yeah.
We went through it twice.
And there's a lot of hidden rocks.
It wasn't as it wasn't as full of water as this.
With this, I think I'll stay to the left.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stay to the left. Go around this rock on the right and stay to the left. Prepared?
I suppose. As prepared as I'm gonna get. All right. No, look. It doesn't look that bad.
No, it ain't.
No.
It ain't.
No. All right.
The frogs are not gonna like me.
You know. Okay. Here we go.
And that's no pun.
You know this. You know. No. Easy. Whoa. It's. Whoa. This is a deep spot, though. Oh, look at that. Wow. Just walked right.
Oh, it just sprinkled out.
Oh.
I think the rain started.
Oh, dear.
Like I said.
Wow. Boy, this thing is, this is a nice. Oh, shit. Where are you going?
Whatever I want. Haven't you seen this?
No, wait. What are you doing?
I want to do it one more time.
No. Oh. Are you sure?
I don't want to miss the sunset.
Yeah, but oh, no, really? Seriously? You're going to drive through it again?
I don't know. We don't have to. It was an adventure.
It didn't scare me at all.
Well, I'm glad you had that kind of confidence.
Oh. That's a help.
Hey, it took the bugs off.
Hey,
Most of them.
It actually was a help.
It did. The rocks.
Yeah,
the rocks took them off.
It was.
Yeah.
Boy, that's a. That's. We've been here before.
Yeah.
We've been here.
I still am a little skeptical going to the left.
If you go that way though,
it's safer. But we don't have to.
Is it?
Oh,
No, that's where the black
we came from.
No,
Off to the right.
we came from this.
Well, we came from the right. That's right.
Right. If you go this way though, that's where you get stuck.
Yeah, that's where you get stuck.
Yeah. So let's just not do that.
Okay.
Besides, there's a lot to go.
Oh yeah. There is the other way.
Yeah.
There is.
Yeah.
There's still a lot to go. All right, we'll turn around.
Unless we're going all the way back.
No, we'll turn around.
I thought we were going to go right straight through. Skippy'd be disappointed if we turned around.
Oh. You want to go all the way back?
No, I don't want to go all the way back.
Okay. All right.
I say we press on.
All right.
Press on.
I'm in.
Yeah, we can make it.
Oh, I know. Oh yeah, this is not. After that's where it was radical. I mean,
it's been pretty radical.
All right. Yeah.
All right. Onward and upward.
Itch.
Yeah. All right, here we go. We made it. Another mile marker. We're still going up. I assume we'll make it to the moon here pretty soon. Hopefully it's not as muddy on the moon because there's been a lot of mud. Hey, only got stuck once. That's not too bad. In And hey, if you get yourself out, are you really stuck? No.
No.
I'm gonna say no.
No. What? What are you thinking?
Okay, this is what I'm thinking. This trail don't go nowhere. And
Well, I think it goes a little farther than I thought.
no.
Let's see what happens.
Oh. Whoa. It looks deep. Oh, it was deep.
It was deep.
It was deep.
That was deep. Yeah, that was deep.
Oh, you're sitting so high.
It's crazy.
Oh yeah.
You forget about it. Yeah.
Yeah, and this trail don't go nowhere.
Does it?
Well, there's a couple of places to turn around. What's a
Okay.
What
I'm
are
going
you?
to turn around.
What are you doing?
I'm going to turn around.
Yeah. Oh, Christ. Christ Almighty.
Oh.
All right. Now. Right. We going through it in reverse?
So far.
I can't film in reverse. I can shoot the mirror. Wait. Oh.
Okay.
No, wait.
No, we're not going through that reverse.
Oh.
Turn around.
I don't know why that wasn't plan A.
Well, it kind of was. I just wanted to get out of that neck of the woods, you know?
You know, hey, watch out for that tree. The little scrappy one. He looks like he needs a second chance. All right. I don't know why you do this stuff. Yeah, there it is. You have to go. There's a big rock right there. Watch out for that.
Watch out.
Yeah, look, don't hit the rock. Oh, all right. Oh, that is deep. I think it
is. Just a wee bit.
Oh, Evan Rude got it done. See, and
look at where we came from.
yeah, and now we're gonna drive. Now that you just played right there. Oh, this is the first beaver dam. This is the little one. Wow. This flooded good after the last storm, didn't it?
Yeah, I did.
Look at that.
Yeah, I did. Oh, yeah. She lowered a lot.
All right. Then we're gonna go. Oh. We're gonna go downhill. Here we go.
Here's speed.
Yeah. Yep.
First gear's too slow.
Yeah. Oh, we are going down. Oh, wow. Oh, ouch. Oh.
Yeah, that was a control arm. But
Yeah.
I took it, no problem. There was no tweaking anything.
Yeah, okay.
It's all good.
That's the first bang I've ever
Yeah,
heard.
It is.
You're standing so tall. I don't know what you hit. Wow, it keeps going
It was a
down.
wheel drop.
Oh, we're going down already. Whoa. Ooh. Are we on the right trail?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh, of course.
He is going down. Look at that.
Here we go.
That should go down.
Oh. Now.
I just tapped the throttle and rev up and it'll coast us for a while, you know?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Oh. we're gonna drive into a pond. We're going we're going down.
Down.
Oh,
I'm going down.
down.
I'm going down.
Uh-oh. Wait a minute. What's that?
Bruce Springsteen.
No. No, ahead of us.
I don't see mine.
What do we mean?
I don't see mine.
Oh, man.
Let me see.
Oh,
Let me see. Let me see.
Oh.
I'm going down.
Oh no. Oh, what are you doing?
Going this way.
Oh. Hey. Oh,
Our old stomping grounds.
mile marker. Oops.
Use the clutch, man.
Oh yeah, you can just, because otherwise we're just gonna drive into the woods.
Into the woods, that's right.
All right. You know that picnic tables look better.
As a matter of fact, I think we've enjoyed ourselves at that before.
Oh,
Hey,
hey.
what do you think that was?
Probably a tree.
You think so?
Because, you know,
This is gonna be an 8-point turn.
we're in the, because we're in the, oh. There's a lot of water there. There it is. You can see it. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Somebody else has stuck a stick in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wonder where ours is. We'll be able to see it.
Theirs is
We
on dry.
pull up, yeah.
Theirs is on dry land.
Theirs is on dry land. Yeah.
You can drive right through that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can.
You can drive right through that.
Yeah.
Oh, the windows are going up. That's a good sign. Oh, how deep could it possibly be?
We'll find out, won't we?
Now, wait a minute. You gonna drive right into this lake?
Wouldn't be the first time.
Well, it is in the road. What are we supposed to do? Turn around?
No.
It ain't even that deep. I can already see the.
Oh yeah, you see water.
Yeah. Still deep.
Yeah.
Oh,
It is.
it is. But
But
oh
hey,
yeah.
Hey.
Look, no beer cans floating on the floor. We did better than usual.
I don't have any water. I don't have any water.
Imagine that.
Imagine that.
Imagine that.
I almost want to do it again.
Don't back. Don't you do it. If we can do it drunk, you can do it sober.